You can't miss the Nagios World Conference. You know what I am so looking forward to is that all the Nagios nerds are going to show up there and they are going to show off what they're doing with their Nagios, what they're monitoring. It is insane what people do. I would never have thought that people were using Nagios to monitor what they're monitoring, and they do. There's going to be a huge focus on AI for sure. And what's great is there's the interactions in the hallway and there's the interactions in the room where people ask questions. But the time after in the evening with dinner and games and all the things that happen, the magic really happens there. And I don't think you can really get that sort of interaction anywhere else. The number of ideas that we put together and the people that we were able to get together, I wouldn't miss it for anything.